Apparently, in today's cabinet decision, the government has extended time for movement of offshore casino into relocation for one more year. It's a welcome move because without creating proper facilities for the people to embark and disembark jetty and the feeder boat movement, taking any step towards the movement of offshore casinos was unsafe, as well as from security point of view it was not wise decision. Now since the government has given one more year, it is a very welcome move. From on behalf of Casino Offshore Casino Owners Association, I welcome the decision. However, in the budget, the license fees for onshore and offshore has been tremendously increased again this year. Last year it was increased by 1000%. Now again increased by 180%. Now for a small onshore casino, the license fees has been increased from 2.5 crores to 4.5 crores. And for 500 less than 500 square meter, they have done it from 3 crores to 5 crores, which is very exorbitant. Because of this, many small onshore casinos are going to close down soon, and lots of people who are directly and indirectly employed in the casino are going to lose jobs. Besides, many five-star hotels are depending upon the revenue from the casinos, especially in the off season, are going to be deprived. So entire tourism industry as well as the hotel industry and the casino industry are going to suffer because of this decision. The government in all other sector has increased the fees by 10% and 15%, whereas only in casino industry they are every year increasing by 200%. This is very unfair, and this should not be done. Government should consider revisiting this particular issue to to increase the fees by 10 to 15% instead of by 200%. Because the license fees is paid up to 31st March. So on 31st March for the next whole year's license fees is to be paid. So this 4.5 crores and 5 crores license fees is not affordable by many casinos. So I have got a confirmed information that at least 2 to 3 casinos are going to be shut down on this 31st March.